Hey, if you're looking for what's working now in business to grow your online marketing business, then you came to the right place. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do, how to learn, and how to grow your business online. Last night I had the opportunity of speaking, on a mastermind with our community, which is really amazing. Today is April 26, 2022, and I had the opportunity to speak to our community. We had over 70 people on this call last night on the Zoom call, and it teaches you all about marketing, what people are doing to, actually have results in their business. And we were able to, get on in a mastermind, which is really cool. I've never came across a community that does this every single week. I've never came across, anybody that does 11 total masterminds a week. And they even go over the shoulder and show you what they're doing in marketing the top leaders. And I just got started in this, a couple weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, and I'm already seeing results. And they brought me on to speak and actually share what I've been doing to get results. So, I got on this call right here. Here's my name, and I'm in this corner right here, and I was able to actually speak to a community and actually, give value to people, which is really amazing. I love giving value to people. I love, being able to have a conversation with people and actually help people to grow their business. And I was able to do that on this mastermind call. And every week we have these calls for people, so you never get lost. You know exactly what to do. You know exactly how to get traffic, how to get free traffic, and the things that you do before you get traffic. How to store your passwords so you don't get lost. The mastermind audio, so you can have your mind together and right in the right space when you're building your business. How to actually do all that. How to get your domain, how to get your lead magnet. Your lead magnet is what you're going to actually use to actually attract people to you. And that's what you got to do. You got to actually attract the right people to you. And then they also teach you about free methods of marketing, which is amazing. How to launch your business, how to invite people, how to follow up with people, how to get free leads by Facebook, how to get leads by blogging and YouTube ranking, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines, how to podcast, how to start recruiting with LinkedIn, how to use Facebook ads. You're going to learn all of that stuff. How to do Facebook lives to get results. And then how to launch. Whenever you have something that you want to actually, get results in, the fastest way is to actually do a launch. A launch is when you give value to somebody, for a certain amount of days. You might teach something. This is a 5-day launch, so you might teach something for 5 days, and then after those 5 days, you might have an offer that you want people to, get into for more value. So the 5 days of launch, you're just, giving value. You're giving a presentation. You're showing them something. You're teaching them something. And, I love this opportunity because it's so easy for anybody to plug into, learn, and get started and start getting results. And it's really amazing because I've never been a part of a community that gets results like this, and that's there for its people so much. And as you can see, I'm on the leaderboards again for this week. Today is 7:08 a.m. in the morning on 4/26, 2022. And last night was just an amazing call. And so it's what you're gonna learn in here is you're gonna have access to the funnel builder system tools, which you could use this system to build up any website. That's what this whole website was built off of, was these funnel builder tools. And you could actually learn what to do first, how to set it up, and then you're gonna get plugged in when you first come in here. Then when you get plugged in, you're going to learn the 3 simple steps to building any business. Then you're gonna learn how to set up your page builder, how to get your autoresponder set up, how to get your domain so you're personally branded, and then you're gonna learn how to use the tool, how to get the training, how to create your pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to put the pixels on there so you could track, how to put exit pops on there so people don't leave your funnel. You're going to learn all this stuff. You're going to learn how to do all this stuff within here. And this tool is only $25 a month. And you get $20 commissions from this. And then when you upgrade, you're going to learn all about traffic. And this is back to the traffic methods that I was telling you. And then you could get paid traffic by solo ads, Facebook ads, or Facebook video ads. And this stuff is really amazing. You learn a lot back here. This is all value. You know what I'm saying? And you're going to learn a whole lot when you get started with this. And then when you start making money, then you're going to have to know how to manage your finances, right? You're going to have to know how to eliminate your debt, how to get rid of that, how to file your taxes so you save the most amount of money. That's what this is about. That's what this is about. It's about knowing how to save as much money as you can in taxes and make as much money as you can with your home-based business. So it doesn't matter what business you're in, what niche you're in, this will help you. And it's all about, building a business. It's all about being a marketer, all about learning the strategies. So I don't care if you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, or you have done marketing in the past. This actually works. You will actually get results. And it's been amazing that I've been able to, get on here and share value with this community now. And I've only been in for 2 weeks. And it's really been amazing. It's really been, beneficial. I've learned some, golden nuggets just from getting on that call. And they tell you what pages have been converting. They tell you in your funnel what pages are the best to use to run traffic to, right? So if you're doing paid advertising, it's good that you get on these calls because you're able to ask questions. You're able to ask questions right there and nobody's left behind. You could actually get on and get your questions answered immediately, and then I have a private, group that we do stuff with my team in. So, when you get started with me is what I'm going to do is I'm going to, guarantee you get at least 1,000 leads to see your opportunity per month. You just have to put in the work and you have to get started and you have to go all in. When you go all in, that shows me that you're serious. That shows me that you're really about, making a change in your life. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to get at least 1,000 leads to see this opportunity per month. You're going to start getting results. You're going to start getting sales. And you'll be able to share your results that you get with other people. So it's going to also build, your credibility. And you're going to be able to offer the traffic methods that I show you, that I teach you. You're going to be able to offer that to your people that want to sign up with you. So you're going to now have an incentive to get people to join you. See, when people get into opportunity, most of the time that they're left, they don't know what to do, they don't know how to get started, and they have nothing to offer people as an incentive to get them to join them in an opportunity. So now I'm giving you the tools to be able to offer an incentive to your people so that way they can join you. Instead of, you having to actually figure out how all this works, we have it set up for you. And when you join me in business and we do business together, you're going to actually learn how to be a marketer. You're going to learn how to, brand yourself, how to end up on the leaderboards by, getting results. And that's what's very important. I want to see you get results, and I want to see you be on those same leaderboards. I want to see you be up here as a top affiliate for the week. I want to see you having results. So that's what it's about. So if you got value from this video, make sure you click on that link below this video and get started immediately. And I'm going to help you to actually build your business. So You just have to take the action. You have to take the first step and show me that you're serious. When you take the first step, that enables me to help you. So, make sure you click on that link below, and I'll talk to you soon.